Okay, so today I think we're going to show you something that I do believe you've never seen before, because I think I've invented it. These old school lathes have always got a rudimentary taper attachment connected somewhere in their makeup. Most of the times it's an offset tailstock and some kind of a swiveling assembly up here. I've never liked that, but now and again I have to taper stuff. I'm knocking some weight off of these barrels. I don't like the way they're tapered over the chamber. So when I have to run tapers, I run a wire or a piece of tape or something similar around my infeed, and then I just lock it against as I let the thing travel, and it rotates. This string, I'm using a heavy wire. I normally use something different. I normally use either tape or a piece of cable. But without further ado, I'm going to run a pass on here, and I'm going to show you how that thing is. Don't know the sound is going to get pretty wacky and funky. We're going to run in here, get a bite going. Then we hit the feed and we take off. And all we do is lock this. It's kind of a crude way to do it right here. I normally will loop around something. But if you can see the way we're cutting there, because this is locked, this is wrapped around the diameter here, we're cutting at a rate of, well, I don't even know. I know what the rate is out here, because I taper barrels out here quite often. This is a really weirdly tapered barrel. It's a barrel that another project. I didn't like the dead parallel, and then it band down and then it flat down. Two problems I had are, number one, weight, and number two, I just thought it was uglier than it needed to be. I'm going to recontour this area while I'm doing it. One of the initial things is getting an initial paper started so that I can change the paper to what I would like for the rest of it. And I thought, you know, this is something that, best of my knowledge, no one has ever come up with before. If you're a manual lathe guy, and if you have reason to run small incidental papers, the hardest part with this method, of course, is getting any kind of a more rapid. It only works with the barrel. I've gotten, I don't know, 25, 30 thou off of here. You can see the pass going. Maybe you can see the paper, maybe you can't. But trust me, it's cutting the paper, rotating, feeding in. Because this is a fairly stout piece of cable, and it's not stretching. This is rock solid. This goes in. It cuts at a direct ratio at a fairly decent rate. Now, after we get off the video, this just does the straight paper, so I'm going to go ahead and fake in. I'll control this a little bit, and I'll fake in, and I'll break my corners a little bit. I might even break this first one right now, just because I can. Breaking this one at a little higher rate, just to round that corner off, because I didn't like the way it was. Now I'm taking it out. Not saying that's the best way or even a good way to do it. But the point is, this right here cuts a consistent taper. And the reason, of course, is that as it feeds away, it rolls in. You can't even see that because of the way it is. As it goes away, it feeds in. Kind of like a little recoil starter. So it's just a way to cut a taper. It's a way to do something that isn't normally done on a manual lathe. And hopefully this will just as an add-in video, this will stimulate somebody to try it. I can cut normal barrel tapers quite easily doing this. In here, of course, I've got some funky stuff to try to match up, so mainly it will cut the taper of a varmint profile or something gentle and similar. So, just sharing an idea with you. Thanks.